Using your cellular device from a cruise ship can be very costly, and you don't want to end up with these huge bills when you get home. I have seen people come home from cruises and they get their bill a month later and they have all of these charges, hundreds of dollars worth of charges, because they didn't do the right thing. So unfortunately, your cell phone doesn't connect to your land-based cellular provider like AT&T or Verizon while you're on a cruise ship in the same way it does at home. So you know that unlimited plan that you have for data, for cell calls, it's not going to work. I'm going to review exactly how to get your phone in the right mode so there will not be any unwanted charges. As soon as you get on the ship, you're going to want to put your cell phone in airplane mode and leave it there throughout your entire trip. This is going to restrict that cellular data from being received by your device, including calls, emails, text, and even push notifications. The reason you want to put it in airplane mode first is because if you turn your cell phone on for any reason and it's not in airplane mode and you're already out in the middle of the ocean, it will immediately start searching and pulling in data, maybe even faster than you can get it set. So just put it on airplane mode and leave it there. It's the only thing, I mean, please. So, but by completely unplugging, it isn't always realistic, is it? For one, your cruise line now has an app. And you want to use their app when you're cruising because it acts as a daily planner. So you can see what's happening around the ship. You can book your excursions, you can sign up for activities, and so on. But you put your cell phone airplane mode, and then you connect to the ship's Wi-Fi and utilize their app. Do this for all of your devices. Oh, and don't forget your Apple Watch or other electronics that have cellular capabilities. Put them all in airplane mode. Please hit the like button if you find this information helpful so far, and subscribe if you want to enjoy cruising content. I try to put together a new video every week. Let's say you decide you're completely unplugging and you're not going to use your cell phone for your entire trip. So you toss your cell phone in your room safe, but you fail to put it on airplane mode. Your cell phone is still going to be constantly searching for that signal, and it will connect. It's going to connect to the satellite, and it's going to pull in those data, messages, emails, notifications, even while it's locked up in your safe. This is going to result in a very expensive phone bill from your cellular carrier because you're going to end up with all kinds of international roaming charges. Trust me, you don't want that to happen. So if you are going to completely unplug, put your device on airplane mode first, turn it off, and then put it in your safe. In addition, you might want to be able to use your phone to take pictures or videos. It's fine. As long as you're in airplane mode, it's going to store all of your images, all of your videos on your phone. And you can also use any other apps that you may have downloaded on your phone that doesn't require a connection. Not sure how? Let me show you. Let's start with iPhones. Let's do that first. So let's start with iPhone users. Go into your settings. Here's your toggle for airplane mode. Notice it's off. And if you look down to cellular, that is currently on. Tap here so it turns green. And now your phone is in airplane mode. Notice cellular is now also in airplane mode. If you tap on cellular to review more information, you can see cellular data roaming, and if you have a hotspot, you want to make sure they're all off. If for some reason they're not, just go ahead and manually toggle them off. One other thing I would like to point out here is Wi-Fi calling. If you buy the ship's Wi-Fi plan, turn this on. This is going to allow you to make and receive calls using the ship's Wi-Fi. If you have a Samsung phone, the steps are pretty much the same. It might vary a little bit depending on the model, but you'll go to settings, find connections, and turn on airplane mode. You're going to see Wi-Fi calling here as well. Now, if you want to learn even more about using your cell phone from a cruise ship, plus get some money-saving tips, watch this video next. You will be an expert too. I also have a video on eSIM if that's an option that you're considering. Thank you guys for watching. As always, happy sailing.